Hey, how you doing? This is Algebra 1 CST release question, number 84. Here's what it says. It says, well, you got this whole fraction divided by this whole fraction. I'm not going to read all that off. I'll do that one part at a time here, though. So remember, this is the same thing as saying if you divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as saying it's that original fraction, which I'm just going to rewrite the whole thing here, x squared plus 8x plus 16 divided by x plus 3 times the reciprocal of this second fraction. So I'm going to flip that one over. So x squared minus 9 on the top, 2x plus 8 now on the bottom. From there, now it's just a matter of factoring and combining things together. So I want to think of this now as 4 separate problems. This is problem 1 here, problem 2 right here, 3 is here, and 4 is here. I want to factor each part separately. And so let's give it a whirl. Let's go. Let's start with that. We've got this part here. Magic X would be helpful for some of you, I think. So we've got 16 and 8. The only way for that to happen is a 4 and a 4. So you have x plus 4 twice. X plus 4 squared. X plus 4 times itself. On the bottom, you can't factor that any farther. So I'm just going to put x plus 3. I'm going to keep it in parentheses, though, to remind us that that is a factor altogether. You can't take the x and the 3 separately. Those two things are going together right now since it's the whole denominator. Over here, difference of 2 squares. Take the square root of each part. The x will go here. The square root of 9 is 3, so that'll go here and here. One gets a plus sign, one gets a minus sign. Foiling it back out shows you that the 3x and the negative 3x would cancel, giving you back right here what you started with. And then here you'd have a 2 that you could factor out of both parts, and x plus 4. If you redistribute that back through, you get what you started with. And so from here, remember this is multiplication, so we could extend this fraction bar. It's basically all this one big fraction, and we can think of that as all this times this on the top, all this times this on the bottom. I've got an x plus 3 here that can cancel out with the x plus 3 here. I've got an x plus 4 that can cancel out with the x plus 4. What do we have left? We've got x plus 4 times x minus 3 over 2. That's all we got left on the bottom. And so number 84 looks like should be choice C.